Prisoner 1138, please step forward.
These kids with their...
How come you can't buy
So much chaos.
my next idea?
Everywhere I go, people...
How come you
This...
I tell my therapist when I hope we need
As long as I'm having fun, it's all good. Where'd I go? Hey, hey! You lost me! Back off! Come on! You don't belong here! How pathetic. Don't be jealous. You're just a dirty... You think you can handle... Yeah. What was that? Behold! I'll put you... Wait, you wish... Fuck you! Up yours! Up yours!
The fuck is this? We paid up this month.
Someone paid more.
What happened?
We got arrested.
No, to us. Burke's right. We traded our dicks in for pussies. Seriously. Movie deals, commercials. Saint's name used to mean something more than body spray and some ass-tasting energy drink.
Our brand's worth a shitload of money.
Is that what it's all about?
It's always about the money, Mr. Gat. Which is precisely why our employer wishes to speak with you.
If you'll indulge us.
You have any idea who you're fucking with here?
Of course. A remarkable likeness. These visions are Viola and Kiki, and I am Philippe Laurent, chairman of a multinational organization called the Syndicate.
Never heard of it.
Evidently not, or you would not have robbed our bank. Perhaps you wonder why you are still breathing at this point.
Actually, I wonder why my foot's not up your ass at this point.
Like it or not, Mr. Gat, our organization is expanding into Stillwater. I am offering you the chance to leverage your assets against your lives. Ladies?
You may continue to operate the Saint Soltor Media Group as you see fit, in exchange for 66% of your monthly gross revenue.
That is before taxes, of course.
Listen, you French fuck.
Please. I am Belgian.
So make yourself a fucking waffle. We done here.
And I had so hoped to come to a rational business arrangement.
What the hell's going on?
Boss, you gotta bail!
No, not without you.
What, there's like half a dozen guys? I can take them.
What about the plane?
I'll fly it back to Stillwater.
Johnny, you can't even drive stick. How you gonna fly a plane?
Details, details. Just cover the boss. Go, I got this.
We can't leave Johnny!
Guy can take care of himself. We gotta deal with these guys.
Attention passengers, this is your new captain speaking. Our updated flight plan has us landing in Stillwater.
Oh, putain de merde! Ouvrez-moi cette porte! Je vais sa tête!
I'd like to remind all passengers to remain seated and enjoy the flight.
Great. Who gave God a mic?
It is not open!
Ooh, I can see some of our passengers are getting restless. Here's some relaxing music for your enjoyment. My apologies. Your captain is having troubles finding the clutch.
Let's fly away. We're on
Nothing slows me down.
holiday with me.
Yo, I'm opening the cargo bay doors. Find some chutes and jump out the back. It should be clear. All right, motherfuckers.
The Donnie's up!
Kill him!
You're gonna need more help than that, Frenchie.
I am Belgian.
Same thing.
I am going to cut that disrespectful tongue from your mouth.
Oh yeah? You and how many of your... Oh, that many.
Johnny, we're about to jump!
Right on. I'll see you in Still.
Johnny?
Where the fuck did you come from? easy.
Take them down! Damn it already! Shoot them!
I'm not gonna lie. For a minute, I didn't think you'd make it in time.
Are you kidding me? I never let my girl... Wait, what is that?
What is what?
That plane is... Okay, don't freak out or anything. But I think that plane is gonna try to ram us.
What do you mean, don't freak out? Do you have a plan?
Yeah. I shoot out the window, land in the plane, kill Philippe, then jump out the back again.
You mean we, right?
Just remember how happy you were when I caught you.
Wait, what asshole?
Shoot the window and land in the plane. Fuck was I thinking? Well, 2 out of 4 ain't bad. Can handle anyone. Get off me! How much shit was in that plane? Gotcha!
You're a fucking asshole.
Okay, I deserve that.
Gentlemen, negotiations were less than successful. Viola and Kiki will spread the word. Steelport belongs to the Syndicate, and the Saints are not welcome. Mr. Kilbane, gather your luchadores and bring me their leader's head. Mr. Miller, hack into the Saints' accounts and leave them nothing.